Hello everyone, I am Sai Jatana. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Today's we'll try to talk about the battery backup details of the iQOO 7 device after using for 7 days. So yes friends, it's been exactly I think close to 7 days of using this iQOO 7 smartphone, and in this entire video I'll try to talk how much screen on time you can expect and how much gaming you can expect. All those things I'll try to talk in this entire video. So make sure to watch till end of the video friends, and I think I did upload more than 100 videos already on this iQOO 7 device at this point of making this video, as you can see friends. And the reason why I'm showing I did upload 100 videos, because during this time of 1 week of testing I did use mobile phone more than average user. So that is what friends, I'll try to show you the screen on time every day, how much I'm trying to use the phone. So, and this usage includes installing and downloading a lot of games and playing a lot of games and comparing with plenty of other smartphones. So it's a kind of really close to intense kind of usage with this phone friends. And even after all this kind of intense usage within this short amount of time, I still felt the battery is kind of really good in this phone, and it was really holding a lot. And these are screen on time details, as you can see friends, every day from the day of I got the mobile phone, you can see. So the screen on time I'm getting around, this is not the screen on time but this is the average use of my phone. I'll try to show you the screen on time, how much you can expect in this iQOO 7 device as well. And the iQOO 7 has got the 4400 mAh of battery, so which is kind of decent enough nowadays. So let's see what is the screen on time and screenshot I've taken. I'll try to show you the screenshot which I've taken in this phone during this time of testing. So just today morning I took another screenshot, as you can see, in 6 hours 46 minutes, and all of these testings I did with the 120Hz and with the external RAM turn on. So if you use 60Hz display, maybe you might get 30 minutes more or 40 minutes more of screen on time. So this is what will be there, but I don't think you will be using with the 60Hz friends. So definitely don't try to use with 60Hz. Try to use maybe with the smart switch, that might help you a lot. So it is a screen on time of another day which are taken when the battery percentage is kind of 14%, as you can see, 6 hours and 46 minutes. And these are the screen on time after when the battery is close to 50%, 3 hours and 36 minutes which are taken. But overall my point is that you can definitely expect minimum 6 hours in this phone, the screen on time. So that's a really good advantage. So with this 6 hours I did intense kind of usage friends. As I said, I did upload so many videos and so much of intense testing I was doing on this phone, installing and downloading a lot of games. And my usage was most of the time 70% of the time with the Wi-Fi and 30% with the 4G. So I still am not getting the 4G plus in my mobile phone, so that's why I'll be using the Wi-Fi connection most of the time. And in terms of the gaming, so regarding gaming, you can get I think close to 6 hours of gaming is possible. Why I'm saying, because you can check this video which I uploaded friends, epic battery and test video. So try to check the video, you'll understand clearly. So where in the test the iQOO 7 did perform kind of really close to 6 hours of gaming as well. So you can check the videos. And only one thing was remaining, so which is watching YouTube videos, how many hours you can watch in this phone. So that is a one video which is kind of pending at the moment, but I'll definitely remember and I'll try to do another video friends on that, how many hours you can actually watch YouTube videos in this iQOO 7 device. So that is a really interesting test which I'm going to do. But for the first 1 week I'm really impressed the way the battery is performing in this phone without much issues at all, and the way the fast charging also works in this phone. So 35 minutes every time it takes to charge completely, that's another good advantage. So right now these are the few details about the battery and the charging details about this iQOO 7 device for the first 1 week. Wait for my full review friends, where I'll be trying to talk about all the aspects, different things about the phone. So make sure to check that video as well after 1 week of usage, in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching this video friends, and hopefully this video might help a lot of other users who are thinking of buying the phone. So definitely battery is good, I don't have any issues with my unit. Battery backup is also good friends. On these are my final thoughts about the mobile phone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.